We're going to play Spanish B now. So this is in your level 1 folders. But what I want you to pay attention to is how I'm striking the strings here. You can see I'm going to do nice walking fingers and I'm going to play across the strings with nice straight fingers. And on the shushes I'm stopping the strings, aren't I? Okay, so let's try just the first line together on the B string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spanish B, buzz, 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 doing loop the loop. And the second line, Spanish B, buzz, 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 swimming in my soup. Now the G string, round and round and round he goes. G again. Little rings when I stick my finger in. Ow, it really stings. So the whole song you play just with one hand. We don't need the other hand at all. So you can really concentrate on getting some nice walking fingers and getting the timing right. Okay. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put the backing track on and we'll play along with it. And I've slowed it down slightly. This is a slower version than the original. I'll count you in. Get ready on the B string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spanish B, buzz, 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 doing loop the loop. Spanish B, buzz, 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 swimming in my soup. Round he goes, Okay, so you're going to try Spanish B on your own without me helping you this time, and also it's going to be full speed, so good luck with this. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4.